Hello everyone, my name is Guzar Pallavi Shivaji. My seminar topic is Clinical and Industrial Significance of Enzyme. Clinical significance of enzyme. Enzymes are used in disease diagnosis. Some enzymes are useful in finding out various diseases. Enzymes level varies from tissue to tissue in higher animals. In disease condition, leakage of enzyme from cell into the blood or in the other body fluids. Hence, increased concentration of enzyme used for the identification of a disease. Such enzyme are called marker enzyme. How the enzyme help in disease diagnosis? Let us see. Here is a diagram of heart and liver. Heart consists of enzyme creatinine kinase and a liver consists of enzyme SGPT. In heart, the creatinine kinase is present in high concentration. In disease condition, there is leakage of this enzyme from the cell into the blood or the body fluid, and this increase in the concentration of enzyme in the blood help in the identification or the diagnosis of disease. Like this, the liver consists of or contain the enzyme SGPT. In disease condition of liver, like the hepatitis, the liver swells and the cell of the liver, from the cell there is a leakage of SGPT enzyme into the blood, and this increased concentration of enzyme into blood help in the diagnosis of disease. So these enzymes are acts as a marker enzymes. Enzyme streptokinase used in thrombosis. Thrombosis is a condition in which blood clot blocks the arteries or veins. Streptokinase convert the plasminogen into the plasmin, and this plasmin acts on the fibrin clots and break down the fibrinogen. Aspergillus is used in tumor. Aspergillus is used to cure the acute lymphocytic leukemia, means blood cancer or the bone marrow cancer. Aspergillus stop the feeding to the nutrient material to tumor cell, and hence their growth has been retarded. 4. Pepsin is used in treatment of acrohydria. Acrohydria is a condition in which there is absence of HCl in stomach. So for the digestion of the protein, the pepsin is required. Then 5th is lysoenzyme used in eye infection. Lysoenzyme is found in the secretion of lacrimal gland or in tears. This enzyme also found in nasal mucus, gastric secretions, or in egg white. In case of eye, it protects the cornea from the infection. 6. Galactosidase useful in treatment of lactose intolerance. Lactose is hygroscopic and causes crystallization in food products. Hence, beta-galactosidase are used to hydrolyze lactose to solve the lactose-related crystallization. Industrial significance of enzyme. First, food industry. Enzymes are used to process or break down the carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. These enzymes include amylases, lactases, cellulase, proteases, and lipase. The enzyme amylase, lactase, and cellulase are used to break down the complex sugar or carbohydrates into the simple sugar. Proteases used to break down the proteins, and the lipase is used to break down the fats into the fatty acid or the glycerol. Second, beverage industry. Enzymes are used to increase juice yield and decrease energy consumption in beverage industry. Pectinase is used in manufacturing fruit juice. Proteases, alpha amylase, beta glucans, etc. used in production of alcoholic beverages like the beers, wines. Detergent industry. Enzymes such as proteases, lipase, amylases are added in some detergents to break or remove dirt and stains from the cloth fiber. The enzyme proteases remove the protein stains on the cloth fiber, and similarly lipases and amylases remove the fats and the starch stain from the cloth fibers. 4. Leather industry. Enzymes are used during soaking, dehairing, dyeing of leather. Hides are treated with pancreatic enzyme to increase the softness of leather. The enzymes are used for soaking. Dehairing. Dehairing means the removal of hair from the animal skin for the human purpose. Dyeing of leather. So this is done with the enzyme, and the hides are treated with pancreatic enzyme. Hides means the animal skin. When these react or the treated with the pancreatic enzyme, there is increase in the softness of the leather. Fifth, paper industry. Amylases, cellulases, xylanases, and ligninases are important enzymes that are used in pulp and the paper industry. They are used to lower the viscosity. That means these enzymes lower the viscosity of the paper. Coating paper, for coating the paper, remove the colors and smooth fibers, enhance the water drainage capacity of the paper. So these are the clinical and the industrial significance of enzyme. Thank you.